Hey guys, what's up? So today we have a 6-piece organizing kit from Elecfresh. This is sold on Amazon. I was down there cruising through some Tacoma accessories and came across this. This is for your armrest, your cup holders, your glove box. We're going to get inside the box, show you what's inside the box, show you how to install it into your 24, 25 Tacoma, 4th gen Tacoma, and see what is in the box and how do you utilize what's in the box. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so what's in the package? If we open it up, on top you have, let me try to get set here straight. On top we have a package here. This is, okay, this is going to be your glove box organizer, glove box divider, and you're going to assemble it, 4 pieces, puts it together, and then this is what you end up with. So we got that in the box, all the components here in this bag. Kind of shows you, like I said, nifty little diagram on how to put it together. It's self-explains itself, honestly. So in here we have cup holders. These were in like some plastic sleevings. I just went ahead and removed them, make it easier for you to see everything. So you have a rear cup holder, front cup holder insert. Sorry about that alarm, it's just going off over there. I work at a dealership. Inside of here, this is going to be a piece for your center console armrest. And then I'm going to show you how that's going to fit inside there and how it's going to work. We have, okay, this, and this is going to be a divider. Like I said, 6 pieces. This is going to be a divider. I'm going to show you how that works inside of your console as well. And then we have a tray that's going to work. I am so sorry about that annoying horn again. So this tray is going to utilize your armrest as well. So we said 6 pieces. So we got 1, 2, 3, I count this as 1, 4, 5, and then 6 for your glove box divider. And let's go ahead and show you guys how it all works. So let's go ahead and put this guy together. Let's discard all the plastic. So you got, like I said, 4 pieces you're going to have. It's going to go together like so. You're going to take this piece, you're going to kind of slide it in like that. You're going to take this piece, this is going to slide on this side. If I can have it backwards, it's going to slide on this side. Excuse me. And then this one is going to go on this side. So there you go, that's how it goes together. Then you're going to put it right down in here. And I'm sorry that it's dark, it's black on black, so it's kind of tough to see, but as you can see, that puts it in there. I like it because it's nice and tight, there's no moving around or nothing like that. So everybody knows that when you have these in there, they're normally not in a book, and then so that don't make too much noise, but when you have just the books in there, they are annoying. So you're going to put this in there, okay, then you're going to install that there. Again, I'm sorry about that horn, it just is a car that keeps going off. So then you got some cubby hole compartments here that you can put your stuff in there, you know, like there you got 2 sides, kind of organizes everything. Super nice, like goes in, glove box closes no problem. There you have that. Okay, now this is going to be your front cup holder. What you're going to do is you're just going to put that right down in there. Don't sweat it if you, oh, I got the wrong one. You didn't get the wrong one. It's just you got to get the little cup locks to fit in there. Look at that, that fits really well. So all you detail guys know that without that in there, that's a pain to get in there and wipe all that out. So we have a rear cup holder, and it's going to go in just like so. You're going to set it in there just and drop it right on in there. So you know when your kids are back there and they got their drinks there, their cups are sweating. Like I said, it's tough. It built up a lot of stuff down in here, and it's tough to get all that out of there after a while. So okay. Next step is we're going to open this guy up, and as you can see, it's just a big hole. So if you was to just throw everything in there, you know, keys, cell phone, I got my wallet, more keys. That's how it does. So then when you're riding around, you get all that flutter and all that junk laying around. I'm going to show you what they did here for you to make life so much easier. First, let's start with these pieces here. I'm recording with the Ray-Ban Metas as well. If you guys want to know what I'm recording with, they make life so much easier. So on this, if you notice, it has this. So you're going to want, see, it's got like little Velcro pieces or velvet on the side that kind of like fits and locks in. Same way with the glove box, it has little rubber pieces on the side, so it's just like a tight fit. So this guy's just going to go right down in here. This guy's going to go right down in here like so. I promise I'm going to get it in there right. Just like that. So then what that does is now that gives you compartments. So say I throw my keys there, put my other key there, and put my cell phone there, you know, and then everything's organized. It's not just going to roll around. Keys ain't going to scratch your cell phone up and all that good stuff. But hang on, because with that said, watch this. This thing sits right down in there. Look at that, huh? Look at that cell phone. Perfect. Keys can go in there, no problem. Got storage. Everything's out the way. Everything's organized. But wait, because we said 6 pieces, so that means there's one more, and that's this piece here. What this piece does, if you look right here, this is nothing. This is just a blank space. They have designed this thing to literally, you pull off your 2-way tape. This is a brand new vehicle, so I'm not going to stick it in here. But you put that in here, and look at that. It stays on. It's got a door that pops open. Like I said, it's 2-way tapes in there, so don't take that as nothing. So you pull your 2-way tape off, it's going to stick in there. You can put your registration in there. I'm going to be honest with you. So this works good because you want to keep your registration, your insurance in there. Because let's think, when you get pulled over, right? You got to go in your glove box. You got to remove everything out. Well, first of all, they don't need to be in none of your business. This makes life so much easier. Right here, pop the armrest up. There you go. You're going to have your cell phone, your keys, whatever there. They're not all in your privacy and all in your business. So all that's going to close up. Everything is nice and neat put in here. And as you can see, it doesn't change the truck. It's not going to mess with your warranty. Guys, pick this up. Elecfresh. Link in description down below. It is a very affordable kit. And yes, it makes your truck much organized. I don't know about you, but I like mine being more organized. I don't like everything everywhere. It's like it to where I can grab it. Simple to grab. Done, over with. The cup holders make life so much easier. Instead of ruining your inserts that are actually in here, you just pull these guys out, take them to the sink, wash them off, put them right back in. Not a problem. Guys, thank you for watching. Link in description down below. Go pick you up a Elecfresh 6-piece Tacoma organizer kit. Thanks for watching.